So to pencil in the hairs, you're going to do this technique. You're kind of going to put a little bit of pressure at the base, and then you're going to flick up like that. Now this technique creates the look of the root and then kind of tapers up and feathers into nothing, just like a real hair. Much more natural than if you were just to do a line like that, okay? So it's kind of like pressure and flick, pressure and flick. That gives you the look of natural brow hairs. Now if you want to know where your brow should start, hold your pencil to the corner of your nose vertically. This will show you ideally where your brow should start. So I know I need to pencil in some hairs. Let's just go and draw those little hairs in now. So you can see there where I've just created those little lines. So you've strengthened this area here. Now you're going to take your pencil and you're going to go into the arch. And you're just going to go down to the tail. Just like that. Take the spoolie and just brush to blend. And that is that. Now you can see already, compared to the brow I haven't worked, I've done very little, but I've used this pencil in a very specific way that I've taught you. And if you do the same, you will get the most natural brows ever.
Use code 20 for 20% off 3 mature makeup must-haves in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.